What is going on, everyone? Thank you so much for being here. Today I wanted to show you where I bought my alternator replacement and the two tools that you will need to be successful at replacing your own alternator. If you want to learn how to replace your own alternator, I have a YouTube video up right now on my channel. It's a how-to video on how to replace your own alternator without having any prior knowledge or experience. That was my situation, and I wanted to share my journey and my endeavor of learning how to replace the alternator and the tools that you will need. So I feel comfortable and confident enough recommending to go through Autozone. It was a fast and easy and simple process. They offer next day free delivery. You just type in your car information and the piece that you're looking to replace, and Autozone has a few different options that you can choose from. It is common practice for alternators to be remanufactured. So you can see here, they have a couple of remanufactured options, or you can go with a brand new, 100% new alternator. I went ahead and bought the middle price range, and I was happy with the amount of stars that they had per the reviews. And I was also happy with the limited lifetime warranty that they offered. And it's been about 3 to 4 weeks now since I've replaced my alternator, and that's why I'm pretty comfortable with recommending going through Autozone here. So the first tool that you will need is a socket set wrench, and it's important to buy a set wrench that has at least a 10 milliliter socket going up all the way to 19 milliliter. And another critical thing that's important to know, which I didn't know because I had no experience with tools or anything like that, is you're going to want to buy a socket set wrench that has a 1/2 inch drive. And what that means, if you don't know, because that was my case, is that this piece right here is called the drive, and the socket gets attached to the drive. And what I didn't know is that, and we'll talk about the second tool that you'll need. So again, this is going to be the second tool that you'll need. It's called a serpentine belt tool, and this gets used to loosen the belt that's attached to your alternator. And I also use this tool to remove one of the mounting bolts for the alternator as well. So why it's important to buy a 1/2 inch drive set is because you're going to use this sockets. You're going to use 1 or 2 of these sockets, and you're going to use that to also attach this tool. So that's why it's important to buy a 1/2 inch set, at least a 10 milliliter socket size all the way up to 19. And the really cool part about Amazon, or why I went through Amazon too, is that I was considering to return my tools, and you can return your purchases for free even after using them, depending on your area here. So you can just check that out. So these are the tools that you will need to be successful at replacing your own alternator. If you, again, want to watch my how-to video, you can go to my YouTube channel to see the how-to video. Thank you so much. I'm pretty sure after this, you should have an easy time replacing your own alternator. Good luck. I wish you the best, and thanks again.